This is my experience with the Fujifilm X100V camera in Italy. It's also a story about a powerful lesson that I relearned. I'm sharing this story because I have a feeling it's a message you may need to hear. My friend Dago is a brilliant director. And if you've ever been on a Rihanna tour, seen Michael Jackson's Cirque, or seen Ricky Martin on tour, what about Madonna, or Pink, or Nicki Minaj? Those big stages for the superstars have massive screens. He directs many of them for the superstars we know, and then he bought a hotel in Mexico and operates that now. Dago told me something that I thought I would never forget, which I consider a big failure in my life. Walid, you should always travel. You owe it to yourself and your clients to travel. We were sitting in his LA office working on the Madonna visuals when he said this to me. Dago said superstars expect creatives to travel and see, and then bring those new ideas to their projects. And fail. It clicked and made total sense, but I failed. And that's what I mean by click and fail. I'm gonna guess that if you're still watching, then you may be able to relate to this. You took care of everyone else, right? But you forgot about you. Me too, friend. Here is why failing hit me so hard. The second part of Dago's lesson was about how Americans travel versus how the rest of the world travels. Let's use a graphic. In America, we take vacations to get away from life. We work ourselves to the bone, and hopefully, our 2-week vacation brings us back to a normal level. Hopefully. In other parts of the world, they go on a holiday. They go more often, and they stay longer. They don't see holidays as a reward, but as a routine part of life. This is why they rarely drop below normal and aim to overflow. In America, the average person hopes for something down the middle. We're killing ourselves.
Take it with anybody but you.
You are gonna do this way coast to coast, the biggest way. Okay, do the secondary way, Zaro.
And it's this
Just
one.
for one.
Yeah,
Take this one.
So, while you see me driving around beautiful Ischia taking photographs of this Italian island life, I'm deeply saddened by my workaholic behavior. Know where I'm at. Gergo, I have so much respect for you for driving through Rome. Nobody gives a shit about anything. Ah! And B-roll. Okay, let's go. I failed, and I must take 100% of the blame. Because when I accept 100% of the blame, I will give myself permission to take 100% of the credit when I fix things and learn to take care of myself. Based on this thought, I'm curious. Have you failed or have you been successful? Here are other ways travel can make you a better creative. Broadened horizons. You see new cultures, you meet new people, taste new foods, and hear new ideas. It could only make you a better artist. And that's what Dago meant. You have to see the world and then bring that creativity to your clients. Sparks creativity. New lands produce new challenges. It's good to challenge yourself. Growth is beautiful. It kills the killer of creativity. Routine is productive and it's dangerous for your creative mind. Break the mundane. Self-discovery. Putting yourself in a new land produces a new set of challenges and opportunities. You'll find new ways to solve problems, new ways to see the world, and it can only make you a more valued creative. Wait, the guy who admittedly failed in taking care of himself is giving me advice? I'm also talking to myself, so every point is a reminder for me also. Dago told me, this is how big names and big brands value your input. They are paying for your experience, and then you owe it to yourself and them to experience life. This is what constitutes big budgets. See the world, my friend. People are beautiful. The world is beautiful. We're lucky to do what we do for a living. Thank you for the lesson, Dago, even if I learned a decade later. You can charter a ferry from Napoli. The ferry is under 20 USD. If you want the beautiful waters of Capri without the thousands of tourists and overpriced accommodations, try Ischia. It's beautiful, affordable, and it has enough to enjoy for several days. Thank you for watching. My work is at walidazami.com.